Next, we are going to learn a sequence I call the hip key Superwoman. So it's always best to learn this first without a spin. So go ahead and bring your right foot, the sole of the foot, onto the center loop of the fabric. Bring the knee forward, hand up, stand up, and you can passe the leg, press the shoulders forward, and take a breath here. Bring your hands onto the fabric, extend your left leg to the left side, shoot your right leg out, come into arabesque, fabric behind the low back, straddle, invert, hook the knee, climb yourself up, and then point the left leg down so you come into the hip key position. Now I'm going to take my right hand over to the left pole, left hand below, like I'm going to go into hip key, but I'm going to bring my right leg through the center, so between the left pole and my waist, like this, and passe the leg. Maybe extend the arm or the leg. This is the Superman position. To come out of it, hook the knee, and you can just slide down really quickly and then hold on to the fabric and uncross your leg.